My name is Robert Yarborough, and I'm an automotive detailer. The type of legal services that I retained the Baker Law Group for was a contract dispute, breach of contract, negligence on their part. The outcome of my case, we obviously won. It was a trial by jury, which was selected by the plaintiff. However, my attorney, Mr. Carl Snyder, definitely went in there and won my case with factual information. So when I selected Baker Law Group to represent me, obviously I had to do a consultation. Once they accepted my case, they exceeded all of my expectations by thoroughly communicating with me step by step on every level and challenge that my case would bring for me. They definitely exceeded all of my expectations on a personal and a professional level, just by them having a high level of integrity and by Mr. Snyder always staying in constant communication. Make sure you have all of your paperwork and your information and your ducks lined up in a row so that it's a swift explanation or briefing to them on your case if they're willing to accept it. That way you don't waste your time with the consultation that you're going to receive from the Baker Law Group, which I have to admit that take advantage of it, but you need to make sure you have everything outlined and all your ducks in a row before you contact them, whether it's personal, business, family related, or criminal related. I wouldn't look any further at another law firm. It's going to affect my personal life beyond measures, as I have a high level of integrity. My reputation was on the line personally and professionally, and the law firm was able to keep all those things intact for me, which is priceless. The experience and the things that stuck out to me was, even though Carl Snyder was my attorney, the entire law firm had an involvement in my case as far as communicating with me, walking me through certain aspects, challenges of my case. Mr. Robert Harper, Jeremy, and everybody here played a strategic role in just communicating with me and giving me a sense of comfort with my case. Everybody here at the law firm is great people. They're personal people. And on top of that, professionally, they're great lawyers. The one person that sticks out like a sore thumb is going to be Mr. Carl Snyder, who represented me with the victory in my case. I definitely want Carl to understand and know that I thank him sincerely from the bottom of my heart. My family also expresses a sincere gratitude and thanks to him to keep all of our respect and integrity intact. I was able to get a solid 8 hours night of sleep due to the outcome of my case. Again, it's been a very long year. However, I am extremely satisfied and happy, and so is my family, with the outcome and the actual legwork research from the Baker Law Group. If I needed legal services again, which I hope I don't, after this case going forward from a professional and personal level, I always am going to keep the Baker Law Group on retainer.